Welcome to Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech, and for this week we're continuing on with the Lego Technic Monster Jam Gravedigger build, set number 42118. So last time we built the Gravedigger, but because this is a 2-in-1 set, as you can see here, with a pullback feature, the second build is the off-road buggy, and that is what we're going to build. Now, the instructions don't actually come with the off-road buggy build, so the instructions are actually, you have to download them and follow them on a device. So that's what I am going to be doing. But first, I have to dismantle the Gravedigger. So that is what I'm going to do now. And I'm going to do that as a speed, what would you call it? A speed unbuild, or a speed destruction, or a speed renovation. Anyway, that's what we're going to do now. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, as it will certainly help the channel. And now it's time to get into pulling this thing apart. Now that I have pulled apart the Monster Jam Gravedigger, it's now time to get these pieces in order and then start the speed build for the off-road buggy. So I hope you can stick around for that. If you like this content, please subscribe, be appreciated. Here we have the complete build of the off-road buggy, and this sits at about 190 pieces. I really like this. Again, I haven't put the stickers on this as I didn't with the previous build either, the monster truck, just to get an idea of what it was like before I decide to do with it and what model I would like to keep, be it the monster truck or be it the off-road buggy. I actually like the off-road buggy better, I think. Still got the pullback feature. It's pretty cool. And as I mentioned before, you don't get the instructions for this one. This one you have to do download the instructions or download the app. And this is not a bad way of doing any build, especially if you want to keep the instruction booklet separate, and if you're wanting to maybe on-sell this product at a later date, and so the instruction booklet is still in one piece. So it's a pretty good app. It's it doesn't have every build in it. It certainly has all the popular ones, maybe a little bit slow to come out with new releases, depending on how regularly they do the updates. But this was a pretty easy one to do with the online instructions. So that's always good to have on hand. And of course, there's the two builds that you can do. That's the Gravedigger. So that's all good. I do like this alternate build. I think I would prefer this one, as I said earlier, to the monster truck, but each to their own. Not really much else to add. fairly comprehensive build. The pieces left over for this one, got the flag that went on the monster truck, and not too many other pieces, not much to do, but good to add to the collection of different pieces that I have. So that will wrap it up. Thanks for tuning in and watching, and hopefully you'll tune in next time as well. Bye for now.